Following the introduction of brand new bodywork for the cars used in the Verizon IndyCar Series, the second round of upgrades for 2018 comes in the form of new electronics. The biggest area of change is found with the onboard computer systems that log hundreds of channels of data for use by the drivers and their race engineers. Supplied by Cosworth Electronics, the most obvious change for the new season is held in the driver's hands. The renowned engine building and tech firm takes center stage in the cockpit, where its LCD data screen feeds real-time information through a steering wheel mounted display. The new Cosworth LCD replaces an older, smaller, non-graphic unit made under the Pi Sigma name that emerged almost 20 years ago. As seen here on James Hinchcliffe's Aero Electronics Honda, Cosworth also makes a complete carbon fiber steering wheel, display, and button solution available for purchase. Drivers can scroll through different pages of information on the new display through rotary dials on the steering wheel, and all of the familiar button functions like the push-to-talk radio systems, buttons that place the paddle shift gearbox in neutral or reverse, the push-to-pass button that instructs the engine control module to provide a short burst of extra turbo boost, weight jacker buttons that alter the car's handling characteristics, and a series of dials, some left unmarked to hide their true functions, that are used to switch between different engine calibration settings and throttle map responses, among other options. Of use to the driver, the dash can be configured to show any channel and have it positioned on the screen as desired. Speed, gear number, fuel mileage, lap number, brake bias percentage, the stiffness settings of the front and rear anti-roll bars, engine water and oil temperatures and pressure, and all manner of information can be accessed while in the garage, on pit lane, or racing wheel to wheel. And for teams who prefer to make their own steering wheels, the Cosworth components can be custom fitted with buttons and dials placed wherever the driver prefers. Moving to IndyCar's brand new bodywork has also forced the relocation of other electronic components within the Dallara DW12 chassis. The need for the change comes after years of mounting electronics to the radiator inlet ducts. With IndyCar's repositioning of the radiators for 2018, the long ducting is gone, and with free space where they once sat, Honda has created a carbon fiber basket where the McLaren ECU, its ignition controller, and the power distribution module rest, interestingly, directly beneath the refueling port. Positioned on the left side of the Chevy and Honda-powered cars, the two engine manufacturers have taken different approaches to how the various black boxes are fixed to the chassis. Chevy has taken a similar approach, but has split the locations with half atop the turbocharger airbox and the other half below. The last new electronic frontier for IndyCar in 2018 is also the most fun, as its onboard driver position panels have been heavily upgraded. Carryover info like pit stop duration and when the push-to-pass button has been activated will continue to be offered, but it's in the newfound graphical creativity where IndyCar's timing and scoring team is having a blast. Through wireless commands sent by the series, a bank of stored images can be called up for use. It could be the Chevy or Honda logo, the American, Brazilian, British, Canadian, French, and other national flags representing each driver, and whatever else their imaginations might create. From photos to memes, if it can fit within the 1,200 or so lights as a bitmap file, it can now be shown on an IndyCar.